The Rollman RM-1520 has now been upgraded with a heating element for a hot press option as well. And this is how you install the heating element. Remove the side cover, and there you will see one side of the heating element holder. Now remove the other side cover. You'll have to remove the handle as well. Use the Allen key to remove the handle. And then rock the handle from side to side with a pulling motion until it slips off. Now, gently insert the heating element and push it towards the other side. It will most probably lodge against the exit bracket on the other side, because it has to be exactly straight to go through. So gently lift, twist and push the heating element until it slips through. Once it is protruding on either side, take the cap and nuts off. Slip the power cable with a lug onto the element and then screw the nuts and caps back on. You can use a spanner if you want to, but don't over tighten. Do this on both sides. Now put the covers back on. And put the handle back on. And there you go. You can now enjoy hot pressing on the Rollman RM-1520 as well. For more information, you're welcome to call our technical department. Thank you for watching.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.